What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to my massive shopping haul video. I went out peg hunting today and I was trying to film some peg hunting videos for you guys, but it was just way too busy in the store. So I decided I'll just do a big shopping haul video and I'll show you guys all the cool stuff that I found. If you guys want to see more videos like this, smash that thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. I love reading all your positive comments and seeing all those thumbs up. I read all the comments in the comment section below, so make sure you guys leave a comment. I will for sure see it down there. I do want to show you something that just arrived in my mail, and this was sent to me over by Ivan. Ivan sent me this, and it is a custom painted McLaren Senna, and this was done after a real-life McLaren Senna that I saw at the Vancouver Auto Show, as well as the luxury supercar weekend here in Vancouver. And there it is all silver, and it's got the nice orange painted trim on there, blacked out wheels, the nice little orange touch in the center caps as well. It's a really nicely done model. Check out Ivan on his Instagram at IvanVStudioGarage. I'll post the link down below as well as post it up right there so you guys can see it. Go give him a follow. Check out all the other cool custom cars that he does. And thank you so much, Ivan, for sending me this. I'm definitely going to be putting it on display with all my other McLarens. All right, guys, so what are the stores that I hit up? I hit up Walmart, Fred Meyer, and Target. Those are my three favorite stores to go peg hunting at. I seem to find the best stuff at those three stores, so I always go and check those out. Let's start it off with the cars that I found. I did find the series number 4 complete car set of 6 of them for the Disney character cars. So here they all are, Disney character cars. As I'm throwing them down, I'll show you guys each one of them that are included. The reason why I got these Disney character cars is because I'm trying to collect the complete series of them, and then I'm gonna do a big video showing you all the cars from the complete series of Disney character cars. They've got series 4 out, series 5 should be out very soon, and I'm missing 2 cars from series number 1, which I'm trying to find as well. But we've got Mona here, we've got, dropping more, Donald Duck, we've got one of my favorites, Genie from Aladdin. We have got Dory from Finding Nemo. And Simba from The Lion King, so cool. And lastly, we have the one that I dropped here, which is Baymax. Check it out, awesome. So again, you'll be seeing all these unboxed in a future video where I've gotten all the character cars together. All right, let's check what else I got. I did find, I'm not gonna show you all the packages of them, but I found the complete set of series number 3 mystery cars for 2019. And this one includes the very hard to find Datsun 510 wagon, which will pop up on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm gonna unbox and open all of these. I have all 12. I can't believe I found all 12 of them in one store. It was just crazy. I found a fresh box that no one had touched, so I was surprised they even found that hard to find Datsun in there. So we're gonna unbox these. We're gonna race them down the track. I'll show you guys them all in an upcoming video. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss that video. And what else did I found? I found Mack Cars. That's right. Here we go. We've got 3 of the most current Mack edition cars. We've got the Chevelle SS 396. We've got the 56 Ford F100, and the one that I was super excited to find, the McLaren 720S Mack edition. I was actually looking on eBay for this, and I was like, should I buy it on eBay? Should I just wait? Should I look in store? Went down today, and bam, I found it in store. So that was super exciting that I found that one in store. And I found one other car here, which, where is it? There we go, here it is. I found the orange McLaren Senna, and I just wanted an extra one of these. I've already got a couple of them, but I wanted some to put on my display collection wall. So I picked up another one of those. And not only that, I got 4 more 720S Mack editions for McLaren. There we go, we got 4 of them. And not only that, we got 4 Bugatti Chirons. Oh my gosh, check them out. Bugatti Chirons, McLaren Senna Mack editions. Why do I have so many of these? Am I a scalper? No, I'm not a scalper, guys. I got these to give away to you guys. That's right, I'm giving these cars away to you guys. Now, how do you enter the giveaway? It's very easy. It's very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed here on Peak Time Racing and give me a follow on my Instagram at Peak Time Racing. That's all. I'll post the links in the description box below. All you have to do is just follow my Instagram, subscribe to me on Peak Time Racing, and you guys are entered in. And I'll be giving these away on Instagram. I'll contact you on there in the next week or so. If you've won the giveaway, there they are. Awesome. So you guys are gonna get those cars. And we'll put those down and aside right there. Now, the other cars that I found, and I know you guys have probably seen a couple of my videos in the past where I do like 1 in 18 scale cars as well. I found 5 1 in 18 scale cars that I normally don't like to splurge on them, but I just found 5 of them that were just so awesome I could not pass up on buying them. So the ones that I got were the Ferrari 488 GTB. There we go. And these ones are available at Costco. There are $14.99 in the US, $19.99 in Canada. I actually found 2 of them in Canada, 3 of them in the US. So if you guys want to get these cars, go check them out at your local Costco. They're all available right now. So Ferrari 488 GTB. We got Lamborghini Huracan Performante in green. Isn't that awesome? I love this car. The green color just looks so good on the Performante. Gotta love the green. All right, next up we got the Lamborghini Centenario in blue, and I absolutely love this blue color. I actually saw this one previously, and I bought it, and then one of my friends bought it off me, so I was like, I kind of want to get it again, so I bought it, and I was like, yes, I love it. I'm gonna open it up and display this one. I just love the blue color on this one. And next up we got, I know, I've already got one of these, but then they had to do the release of the Chiron Sport. I got the regular edition. They released the Chiron Sport edition. The Sport one is like, it's got the blacked out wheels. It's the lighter weight package on it and stuff like that. It just looks meaner and more aggressive. I couldn't pass it up. I had to buy this one. So I picked that one up. So we grabbed that one as well. And last, but definitely not least, the one that I actually saw first is my second favorite car ever made in the history of vehicles. Do you guys know what that is? Can you quickly guess? Can you quickly guess? Bam! Ferrari 458 Speciale is my second favorite car of all time, and also it's yellow, my favorite color ever. So I saw this one and I was literally almost jumping up and down in Costco. I was so excited to find this one. Ferrari 458 Speciale, definitely opening this one up and displaying it on my mantle. This is so awesome. I just absolutely love it. And obviously, you know, my first favorite car in real life is a McLaren F1. I've already got a 1 in 18 scale model of that, so maybe we'll put them side by side, display those ones together. But yeah, awesome. Guys, check out Costco if you guys want to get all these models. They had other stuff too. They had like Porsches, they had Corvettes, they had classic cars. Tons of stuff. I figured I'll just limit myself to 5 of them and show you guys those ones. So what do you guys think? Was that good? I don't know how much exactly I spent. Probably $150 or so. Maybe, I don't know. Somewhere around there. But guys, if you guys want to see more shopping haul videos, make sure you smash that thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in a future video. Peace.